Hey everyone, today I'm taking you on an incredible journey to one of India's hidden gems. Welcome to Ukhrul, a mesmerizing district in Manipur. Nestled in the northeastern hills, this place is a cultural haven waiting to be explored. First up, let's talk about the breathtaking landscapes. Imagine rolling hills covered in lush greenery, misty mornings and sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. Just taking a walk here feels like stepping into a dream. One of the highlights of Ukhrul is the Shirui lily. This rare flower blooms only in this region and nowhere else in the world. It's a symbol of the unique beauty Ukhrul offers. If you visit during the blooming season, consider yourself lucky. Now let's dive into the rich culture of the Tangkhul Nagas, the indigenous people of Ukhrul. Their traditional dances and folk songs are a testament to their deep-rooted heritage. The vibrant festivals, especially the Luira Fanit, are a must experience. It's a celebration of the Tangkhul New Year, filled with music, dance and colors. And oh, the food! Tangkhul cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors. From smoked meats to bamboo shoot delicacies, every dish tells a story. For the adventure seekers, Ukhrul has some of the best trekking trails in the region. Whether it's the trek to Shirui Peak or the journey through the mesmerizing Kankwai Cave, there's something for every adrenaline junkie. And the views from the top? Absolutely worth the climb. But beyond the natural beauty and cultural richness, it's the warmth of the people that truly makes Ukhrul special. The Tangkhul Nagas are known for their hospitality. You'll leave with not just memories, but friendships that last a lifetime. So, if you're a culture lover, Ukhrul should be on your bucket list. It's a place where nature, history and tradition come together in the most beautiful way. Come, explore and fall in love with Ukhrul, Manipur. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for joining me on this journey. See you in the next adventure.